Okay, now this is the fun part. This is where we animate our character. Now, the great thing is with Adobe, if you go to adobe.com or you just Google Adobe Animate, you'll come here. Okay, and basically what you do is it will put a voice to a character. So what we're going to do is create now, and once we get here, we can see there's loads of characters and they're constantly updating these characters. So probably by the time that you come here, you'll find some other characters that you can use for your own projects. And again, one of the great things here is that you can get some real inspiration about the types of sort of animations you can do, education projects you can do, YouTube channels, whatever it is that you're wanting to do with your animation. So even here there's school elements that you could do for kids, that type of stuff. And right down here we've got this fin. Okay, so I want to use this guy because that makes sense, right? And the background we want is green screen. Now, transparent doesn't work, I found. For some reason, I don't understand why. But if you go to green screen, you can basically just pick whatever it is, pick a good, something close to what a green screen would actually be. That looks about right. Okay, just as long as whatever program you use can recognize this background. And it's not too similar, obviously, to the character. So then I want to upload the 11 Labs script that I just downloaded, which is this one here. And it will basically automatically edit this guy moving his lips, mouthing the script that we've just done. Okay, so it's done it. It's pretty good, but unfortunately my laptop can't quite cope with streaming this, so I'm gonna have to put it into the editing software and then I'll show you exactly what it is.